guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Pandora Zero-G Spool. So this one that I've got here is the 30-meter spool to give you a sense of size. And yeah, this is a really sort of simple, it's basically a plastic spool, but it's got some clever line on it. And the overall kind of design has kind of been dialed up to 11. So the first thing is that the spool itself is actually made out of Delrin, which is a special kind of plastic, which is nice and lightweight. It's incredibly lightweight, but it's also pretty strong. It's flared as well, which you don't see on too many spools, especially plastic spools, and it's not overspun neither with line, so you don't have to cut off sort of any excess or kind of rewind it sort of once you first get it. So it's a 30-meter spool, and you actually get 30 meters of line, and the line itself is pretty special. So this is Luminox. It's a 2mm white line, but this actually glows in the dark, and we're going to try and show you that later, see if you can see on the camera. But they boast that this can actually glow for up to 20 minutes. So if you're using it in sort of overhead environments, especially sort of in the dark, you can actually see it that little bit easier. And because it's white, if you're using it during the daytime, it's going to stand out pretty well against the blue waters. So yeah, their flare design just makes sort of winding it back in nice and easy. You've got a fairly decent size hole. If you're using it with gloves, you're going to have to pinch, but you can just about sort of get a thumb through that hole. So it is pretty good for sort of warm water, but for cold water, yeah, you'll need to kind of pinch that. And yeah, other than that, it's the name, as it suggests, Zero-G, means it's neutrally buoyant in the water, so you don't have to worry about this kind of sinking off too far into the depths. Comes as standard with a stainless steel bolt snap with a nice smooth action on that. That's a nice bolt snap. And yeah, let's. What we're basically going to do is we're going to turn out the lights and charge this up under one of our studio lights and see if you can see what happens in the dark. Okay, so we charged this up for about 10 seconds under our video lights, and yeah, you can see that the line actually glows green in the dark, and it doesn't really show any signs of dimming. And yeah, they say 20 minutes it should stay sort of glowing at least. So yeah, this is going to be a really great line so that you can physically kind of see it, even if the lights go out and it starts to go dark. So yeah, that's the Pandora Zero-G Spool. It's a great little spool, and yeah, you can use it kind of anywhere for sending up dSMBs or whatever you need it for. Thanks for watching, and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.